Hello dear student. Yes, welcome back to English class. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss the question answers of the new doll, okay, which is section A. That is our first unit, the new doll. So here these are the key answers. Our question answers are there. So you have to see it properly and then you have to write down in your notebook. So let's read first questions here. Question A. See on page number 5 you have this exercise part. So question A. Choose the right options to complete the sentences. So here they given 4 options with each question. You have to find out the correct one and you have to write down it. So first I will read here. Every year a doll fair was held. Where it was held? Yes, here options are there. In the village, in the palace courtyard, in the heart of the city, or in the artist's house. So what is the answer? Yes. So here answer is option B, in the palace courtyard. Next come to the second question. All the girls liked Kishanlal's dolls because what was the reason why they all like Kishanlal's doll? Yes, so here options are there. They were very pretty, they had lovely clothes, or there was something new and different about them, or they were inexpensive. So what is the answer? Yes, here answer is option C. There was something new and different about them. So they all like Kishanlal's dolls. Got it? Now come to the third question. Subhadra bought a pile of gold to her mother by how she brought? Yes, here I will read the options. A. Selling her grandfather's dolls. B. Working in the fields. C. Selling her old books. Or D. Selling her father's clay lamps. So what was she selling there? Yes, so answer is option A. Selling her grandfather's dolls. Got it? So you have to write down it. Now come to the B question. Answer these questions. So following questions you have to answer. First, what is this? Sia. How did the old artist's son-in-law earn a living? How he was earning? Yes, what he was doing? He was just preparing or making the earthen lamp and he was selling it into the town. Yes or no? So you can write down the answer. The old artist's son-in-law made and sold clay lamps. Yes. So he was making that lamps and he was selling it. Next, second question. How did the old artist feel when he couldn't sell his dolls? How he feel? That old grandfather? How he feel, old man? Yes. So of course he felt very bad. He became very nervous. So here answer is there, read it. The old man was sad and downcast when his dolls did not sell. So he was very upset. Got it? Now come to the third question. Why was Subhadra's mother angry with Subhadra's grandfather? Why she was angry? Yes, because Subhadra's mother was angry with the Subhadra's grandfather because Subhadra spent the entire day with his or with him. Yes, with his grandfather, or you can write down with him. Got it? Neglecting her duties in the house. Subhadra had to milk the cows. Okay, make it correct, beta here. Milk the cows and do other household jobs which were not done by her. Yes, so once again I will read. Subhadra's mother was angry with Subhadra's grandfather because Subhadra spent the entire day with him and neglecting her duties in the house. And here, see here you have to write milk. Okay, you have to write here milk. And even she had milk the cows and do the household jobs which were not done by her. Here you just make it correct milk. Got it? Now come to the C question. Here you have to think and answer. Yes, I give an answer here, but while reading this question, what you people are thinking, that you have to write. Got it? So here I will read first question. First, however, new times mean new demands. Explain the meaning of this sentence. So here this statement is there, you have to explain it. New things, new times means new demands. Means what? So the statement, however, new times means new demands. It means that young people do not like or want the same things as their parents did. Their likes and dislikes change, therefore, they want different kinds of clothes, toys, and games. So, as per the new generation, what their parents are telling, just you purchase this and you just take it. No, they will not take. Why? Because their thinking, their choices are different. Got it? So, whatever likes, dislikes, these both are different. So, here the clear meaning that new times means new demand. Got it? Now come to the second question. Whom do you like better? The old artist's daughter or his granddaughter? Why and why? So here you have to write down the answer. See here they ask, who do you like better? Who means who, like you like artist daughter or grandfather or granddaughter. See here, who do you like? So here answer I written here, I like the old artist's daughter. Why? Because she gave shelter to her old father when he could not longer earn his livelihood. Got it? So I like who? Artist's daughter. What was the name of that? Here they not given the name, but granddaughter name it was Subhadra. Yes. So you can write another. If you like Kishanlal, you can write there. If you like this old artist, you can write about him. Got it? This is question depend upon you. Now here see, list the characters traits of the old artist and Kishanlal in the table given below. So in your textbook they given one small table. Yes, for one for old artist and one for Kishanlal. So which characters are there? Okay, old artist characters, even Kishanlal's characters. You have to write down one in each row. Got it? So here I written, see, old artist how he was. Yes, he was skilled doll maker and who was honored as the best artisan at the doll fair. Then he did not accept the change in the people's taste. And one more, he loved his granddaughters deeply. So these three character I written about the old artist. Got it? You can write more. He was good hearted, kind hearted. You can write. Got it? Then about the Kishanlal, here I written, see, new age doll maker. He was new age doll maker. Then he became extremely popular, but he did not become proud. Why? Because see, see, he was making half dolls only. He never completed any doll. So he was not so proud. And see, was kind hearted. He was kind hearted, and he helped Subhadra sell her grandfather's doll. Got it? He helped her, no? Yes. He took that old dolls from Subhadra, and he just changed clothes of their dolls, and he sold it. Next, he married the old man's granddaughter Subhadra. And finally, what he did? He married with the Subhadra. So, these quality he have. So, you have to write down in the table. You can write again 4, 5. Yes, here I given 3, 3. So, you again have to write 2, 2 extra. Yes. So, what was the quality of old artist and Kishan Lal? Got it? So here we completed the exercise part from or for first chapter. Got it? So see here, watch this video thoroughly and write down this homework in your homework book. Got it? So you have to complete it and you have to send it to my personal number. Okay? Thank you.